Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I know you're looking at this side part and you're thinking, what? Kez? Deep side part? I know, girl. Let's talk about it. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn. Give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Wiggins Hair. I love their wigs. Soft curls, beautiful, high quality, nice HD lace. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 HD loose deep wave wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots, 100% ready to wear. It also has a strap at the back so you can wear it gluelessly.
Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do. Like a tattoo. Every time.
Let's just try her on and see what she's giving. You guys might be wondering why I don't wear wig caps. I just don't like wig caps.
We go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit.
This is what the hairline is giving. It's good. And we should be able to install her pretty easily.
Just like a tattoo.
And I'm gonna take it off and just cut that area of the lace. I'm gonna go in like a C shape. So I removed about that much and you can see it's in like a C curved shape. I'm gonna do a glueless install today. Spray some of this product on a surface. I always find that I get a better application with my finger. I can kind of feel how much product I'm putting, and then I can also feel like when it's dry.
Sold out. Now just look at me. Goes with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found.
I did touch it. It is getting tacky, so that's perfect. Now we can place the wig down. The next thing we do is cut this lace off. I don't usually like how it looks around my makeup, but what can we do? We're gonna have to just touch that up after.
Someday, I will make you answer for all of your...
Okay, so I'm noticing a little white cast there. I'm gonna show you guys how we fix that. Removing the white cast, but also like the edges of the lace that I don't want, and tidying up that look a little bit more. I'm going to detail with the same product. This is the Wonder Lace Extreme Waterproof. What I'm actually using is a brush that has a silicone tip. Putting the glue on there and pressing it in. Basically, if it's dry, it should just come off. If it's not dry, it should stick like right here. Look at that. Ooh, so nice. So I'm just going over the hairline, and if we really want it to be detailed, just go back over with the makeup that you used. So I'm going in with the one that I used, which was today. I used the Fit Me around that hairline just lightly. A little bit of baby hairs, and I decided to keep this side undone so we can do that together. And when I say a little bit, I mean it. The slightest bit. We don't want too much. A lot of baby hairs is not my thing. And I am using a melting spray for this section right here. You can use gel, you can use whatever you want.
Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go. No, no.
So maybe I'll go in with some powder to mat it down. Now, you could do a side part if you wanted. I don't know, do we want to do a side part? What type of part do we want to do? Put some water. Okay, that's what it looks like. This on the side part is cute. This is the more detailed look. I think it looks really cute. Happy with that. It's a very deep side part for me. I typically don't go with side parts this deep, but when in Rome. I don't know what density it is that I have, but whatever density I have, obviously I'm gonna link that version in the description box for you. Now, I did spray some water on this wig, so you can see that it's still a bit wet, but oh my goodness, you guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Loose deep texture is one of the prettiest curls. Besides water wave, loose deep is probably number 2 because, you know, deep wave is sometimes too tight, and some variations of deep wave is like tighter than others or looser than others. It is giving me a mixture of a deep wave and a loose deep, so I love that. Really pretty. You can see it's full from the root to the tip. Only thing that I did notice with this wig in particular is that the root hairs are more on the straight side, so the wave texture sort of begins towards your earlobe. So where your ear starts, that's where the wave technically begins. This style is perfect if you want to do a slick back, if you want to do a deep part, because it lays straight here, so you're able to slick the hair down and then kind of just like pull it over without it just being curly. So it really depends on what you're looking for, but I want you guys to know that that's the difference with this wig, where some wigs the curl starts from right around the root. You can see if you're going to put the hair back, what it will give you is that natural, like, that's your hair vibe. I love how full and thick it is. The curls feel really nice, and the HD lace is actually HD, so I was really impressed with it. This wig is most definitely Caviar Kez approved. I love it, and I would recommend you guys checking it out. It gets my thumbs up, and I know you guys are gonna love it too. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and before you go, don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really does help me out, and I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.